So I broke a couple more off on the non-Alaskan hauler. It's got the bottle cap wheels, I got the trailers over here. I got the two more wheels, the bottle caps. But I don't suggest it anymore, ever really doing it, because they don't want to stick. So I roughed up the plastic with the old X-Acto knife and see if it'll stick better now. Did this one. See if it'll stick better. I pulled this rubber back and I put a little super glue inside, ran it around, but we'll see what happens. Roughed up the outside a little bit, and I'm gonna take off the shiny edge a little bit more. Yeah, the plastic, it just doesn't want to stick. This is a really weird plastic. I don't know what the hell I make it out of, but don't suggest using it for gluing it to styrene or anything. So, right, got my mud flaps on the old trailer here. Didn't go too shabby. Haven't picked it up yet to look at her. You can do that now if you want. Oh, that hurts. Dog's barking. Entertainment in the background. Cats and models. Look pretty nice on the old auto car there when we're done. Right? So, that thing's going on Frankenworth. This one's going on the Greyhound. That one's going to be Coors. Going on the one behind Marvin over there. That one's for a race truck. It's a Ford team. It's not here. It's in my storage unit, which I need to get stuff out. If anybody can help me with, I'd be much grateful. Another auto car. So, forklift. Can be for a quick pick me up. Quicker picker upper. Alright. Peace out. Damn flies. Come on, turn off.